Welcome to the students of statistics who are studying in BSc courses. In this lesson, I discuss angle between two regression lines. What is the derivation part of angle between the two regression lines? And I consider regression line of y on x. The regression line of y on x is y minus y bar is equal to r into sigma y by sigma x into x minus x bar. This is regression line of y on x. And also consider regression line of x on y. Let it be is for x minus x bar is equal to r into sigma x by sigma y into y minus y bar. To get the similar formula, similar lines, same kind of lines, to formulate it, then I consider this is, I change this line as y minus y bar is equal to sigma y by r sigma x into x minus x bar. Do you understand this? Here I consider equation 2. For two similar equations, we can find the regression lines. Here the slope is this, I consider m1. m1 is the slope of the first line r into sigma y by sigma x. And m2, here it is the slope. You see the similar lines here is now. So I consider, therefore m2 is equivalent to be slope of next line sigma y by r into sigma x. Then we can easily have the angle, that is tan theta, can be calculated by the formula. Tan theta is equal to the difference of m1 and m2, that is m1 minus m2. Here I write r1 plus divided by 1 plus m1 m2. This is what the formula for which now I consider, therefore tan theta is equal to, now what is the slope of the first line? It is r into sigma y by sigma x. Substitute the values of m1 and m2. m2 is sigma y by r sigma x divided by 1 plus r into sigma y by sigma x multiplied by sigma y divided by r sigma x. So now you see here you can cancel r here, and by taking common in this particular part, so we can take sigma y by sigma x in both the values here. We can take common. Sigma y by sigma x multiplied by, here it is r and here it is 1 by r minus 1 by r whole divided by, I write here, divided by here sigma y into sigma y, sigma square y, sigma x into sigma x, sigma square x. If we take LCM sigma square x, then it will be sigma square x plus sigma square y divided by sigma square x. This is what the value you have. Now we can cancel out, this is sigma x, this is sigma square x, I am cancelling one sigma x. And so that I am taking the sigma x numerator, cancelling sigma x into sigma y divided by sigma square x plus sigma square y. Right. So therefore tan theta is equivalent to be sigma x sigma y divided by sigma square x plus sigma square y. I have taken the sigma numerator, sigma x sigma y divided by sigma square x plus sigma square y into, I take LCM r square minus 1 divided by r. So r square minus 1 divided by r. But in the angle cannot be negative value. For example, if r is greater than r square, it is less than or equal to, always r square is less than or equal to 1. So definitely r square minus 1 is less than or equal to 0. So therefore it takes negative value. But it is not possible in the angle. So what we have to consider? Here we have to consider m2 minus m1. The difference. That is the reason I specified that it is a difference between m1 and m2. It is a difference between m1 and m2. We should consider m2 minus m1. So therefore I am considering tan theta is equal to sigma x sigma y divided by sigma square x plus sigma square y into 1 minus r square divided by r. This is what the formula of tan theta. Now if you want to calculate the angle between, that is theta, the angle, it is tan inverse of the value value here sigma x sigma y divided by sigma square x plus sigma square y multiplied by 1 minus r square divided by r. This is what the angle between the two regression lines is going to be considered. Fine. So this is what the angle, this is the answer now. And I tell you two particular relationship between the angle and the regression lines, correlation and angle between the regression lines. Now if we consider r is equal to, for example, 0, r is equal to 0, I tell you the relation between the angle and relation between the correlation, what the values of correlation. If r is equivalent to 0, if r is equal to 0, then tan theta is, if you consider this formula, then tan theta is equal to infinity. Of course, finally you have to get the value of theta. What will be the theta? Then theta is equivalent to pi by 2. Okay. So tan theta infinity when theta is pi by 2. If theta is pi by 2, then tan theta will be infinity. So if r is equal to 0, theta is equal to pi by 2. Then the two regression lines will be perpendicular. Theta is equal to 90 degrees. So therefore, two regression lines will be perpendicular. When in a case when r is equal to 0, that is uncorrelation. There is no correlation. So if there is no correlation between the two variables x and y, the regression lines will be perpendicular. The regression lines will be perpendicular. That is the first case, or case 1 you can discuss. The relation between r and theta and the regression lines. With the help of theta, we can give a statement of these regression lines. Similarly, for example, case 2 you consider, if r is equal to plus or minus 1, then what would be the tan theta? R is equal to plus or minus 1, whatever the value, square 1 minus 1, 0. So therefore, tan theta is equal to 0. In this case, tan theta is equal to 0. This will be, in this case, theta becomes, theta is either 0 or pi. Theta is 0 or pi as per the tan theta values are concerned. So theta is equal to either 0 or pi. So therefore, in this case, whenever r is equal to plus or minus 1, theta is equal to 0 or pi, which means two regression lines should be parallel. Like in this fashion, but it is not so the case. Why? Whenever two particular regression lines you have, for two regression lines we have one common intersection point, that is x bar comma y bar. X bar comma y bar is an intersection point between two regression lines. Then where is a common, that is intersection point between these parallel lines? It never happens. So therefore, the regression lines, the another option is, therefore it is coincide. The two regression lines coincide in this case. So whenever r is equal to plus or minus 1, theta is equal to 0 or pi, in such a case, two regression lines are not parallel, they coincide with only one regression lines. That is what we can specify. What is the one regression line? And the regression line is also same. They coincide. The two regression lines are same, we can consider. We can specify. So that is the relation between, if r is 0, then theta is pi by 2, then two regression lines are perpendicular. If r is equal to plus or minus 1, the perfect positive and perfect negative correlation, then theta is equal to 0 or pi. In such a case, the regression lines coincide. So this is what the discussion of the angle between two regression lines. Thank you.